Okay, so we'll start from rational numbers. So the main concept and results, a number can be expressed in the form of p by q. Okay, so how many of you knows that every number is a rational
Good
number?
evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. How many of you knows that every number is a rational number?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. How many of you know this one?
I know, sir.
Everyone knows this. Okay. So how many types of number is divided into two types? Basically two types. Which are they?
Imaginary.
Hmm?
Rational and irrational.
Yes, how many types? Two types. One and two. What is the name of first type? Anyone?
Rational.
Rational. And second type?
Irrational.
Irrational. Yes, very good. So what is the difference between rational and irrational? Difference?
Rational numbers can be written in the form of P upon Q, and irrational cannot be written.
This also can be written. Q is never equal to 0. This also you can write irrational. P by Q. What is the difference? This you can
Q
have.
is not equal to 0.
Yeah, Q is not equal
Here,
to 0. This you have. What you have? By dividing this, you can get repeating and terminating. This P by Q, if it is repeating or it is terminating, then it is a rational number. If it is non-repeating and non-terminating, then it is a irrational number. Okay. क्या होगा जब दो नंबर्स को हम डिवाइड करेंगे 2/3, then what will happen? Either it will terminate at any point or it will repeat. Either it will repeat or it will terminate. Yes, okay. If it is not terminating and not repeating, then it is a irrational number. Okay. Like for example, pi is an irrational number. Okay. Pi is an irrational number. But if you divide 22 by 7, it will terminate. Let's try. 7 3s are 21. Then you will get 1 remaining. Take decimal, it is 10. Then again 7 4s are 7 1s are 7. Again 3, it is 30.
4.
4. 7 4s are 28. Again 20. Then 7 2s are 14. Then what you will get? 6. 60. 7 8s are 56. Again 40.
You cannot find, sir.
You can find. You can find. This is rational number. 22 by 7 is a rational number. Okay, pi is not a rational number. It is irrational number. This is not exactly. This is approx value of pi. This is not exact value of pi. This is not pi. Okay, this is not pi. This is just to solve any problem. You can use this as a pi, but this is not a pi. Okay. Still, we don't have the value of pi. It's not clear. Okay. Pi is an irrational
Why?
number. Hmm? Pi is not a rational number. Pi is irrational number. Okay. If you divide 22 by 7, you can get a terminating number, repeating number. Sorry, and that number is 3.142857. 124857. Then it will repeat again. Okay. If I show
Yes.
the calculator, you can see here. Can you see this? Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
22 by 7, 3.142857. Again, it's repeating here. 142857, 142857, 142857. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is a repeat. This is a rational number. 22 by 7 is a rational number. Don't ever say that this is an irrational number. Okay. This is given you in why they write this. Why they write this number. Why they write this number in your examination paper, question paper. Why they write? Because this is not the exact value. They are just saying that use this value as a pi. Somewhere they will say use 3.14. Somewhere they say use pi is equal to 22 by 7. As per their convenience.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. As per their convenience, they say that use this or this. Okay. So in actual,
Sir,
yes,
sir, then why scientists not find the exact value of pi?
because it is not repeating. It's not repeating. It's not
Oh.
terminating. It's still going on.
Oh,
Numbers are going on, coming and coming and coming.
oh,
That's why. And this
Yes.
is not the. This is not the. This is not that. Pi is not 22 by 7. Okay. Pi is not
Okay,
22
sir.
by 7.
It's approximation.
Approximate value just to solve the problems, solve the questions.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
क्लियर है ये बात, क्लियर है ना?
Yes, sir.
अभी हम लोग समझेंगे कि रैशनल नंबर क्या है, ठीक है? और एवरी नंबर इज ए रैशनल नंबर, नेचुरल नंबर। जो रैशनल नंबर को हम लोगों ने फिर डिवाइड किया है अलग अलग नंबर्स में, ठीक है? रैशनल नंबर इज अगेन डिवाइडेड इनटू डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ नंबर्स। रैशनल नंबर्स कितने, बहुत सारे टाइप हैं, ठीक है? नेचुरल नंबर, होल नंबर, इंटीजर, पॉजिटिव इंटीजर, नेगेटिव इंटीजर, ओके? दिस टाइप ऑफ नंबर्स।
Yes, sir.
Odd and evils.
Number, even number. So odd and even comes under,
Prime number.
no, odd and even comes under natural number.
Natural number.
Okay, natural number come in,
Sir, composite prime.
natural number come in whole number. Okay,
Yes.
number is a subset of whole number. Clear? Okay, so don't go in.
Yes, sir.
Just try to learn the basic, and we will try to solve the questions. A number that can be expressed in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers. Okay, it is integers, and q is not equal to 0. q is not equal to 0. Okay, नीचे कभी 0 नहीं आ सकता. Denominator we cannot
Yes.
put 0 in the denominator. Okay, this is not defined. Still it is not defined. Okay, so this is called rational number. Lowest form of rational
Yes.
number is called standard form. Okay, lowest form of a rational number is called standard form. लोएस्ट फॉर्म में क्या है, क्या जरूरी है, क्या होना जरूरी है लोएस्ट फॉर्म में? हाउ यू कैन नो दैट इट इज अ लोएस्ट रैशनल नंबर?
Prime number.
हाँ, प्राइम नंबर, नॉट प्राइम नंबर. व्हाट 1/4 इज द लोएस्ट और नॉट लोएस्ट?
Not common fact.
दिस इज लोएस्ट टर्म और नॉट लोएस्ट फ्रैक्शनल? लोएस्ट रैशनल नंबर और नॉट? यस, इट इज लोएस्ट रैशनल नंबर. यू कैन नॉट कट इट फर्दर. यू कैन नॉट कट इट फर्दर.
Yeah.
उसको बाद फिर से कट नहीं कर सकते अब. तो क्या हो गया मतलब? इसका मतलब ये हो गया कि को प्राइम किसको पता है? व्हाट इज को प्राइम नंबर्स? 6 वालों को तो पता है, मैंने पूछा था वहां पे. तुम लोग बताओ, व्हाट इज को प्राइम नंबर? व्हाट इज द पेयर ऑफ को प्राइम नंबर्स? को प्राइम नंबर्स.
What is co-prime number?
यस, ऐसे दो नंबर, ठीक है, ए एंड
Because जिसका one
The prime numbers
factor हो.
नॉट प्राइम
which
नंबर.
have pair of them.
Not necessary, not necessary. Not necessary, it is a prime number. Any number, any two number which has a common factor only 1. The common factor for both the number is only 1. Except 1, there is no number which can divide both A and B. Okay? Like 1 and 4. 1 and 4 can be divided by only 1. Okay? 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are prime numbers. Prime numbers are always co-prime numbers. Okay? Two prime numbers.
5 and 6.
5 and 6, yes. You cannot divide.
A pair of number which have common factor, that is known as co-prime number.
It has only one common factor, and that is 1. That is called co-prime numbers. So how you can know that it is the lowest form of a rational number? When you get a numerator and denominator as a co-prime number, then only it will be the last. After that you cannot cut it. ठीक है? इनका अगर फैक्टर सिर्फ 1 हो,
Yes.
दूसरा कोई नंबर होगा ही नहीं जिससे ये कट होगा, तो आप कैसे रिड्यूस करोगे? हाउ यू विल रिड्यूस द रैशनल नंबर? यू कैनॉट रिड्यूस. you cannot reduce any rational number if you don't have any common factor for them. Okay, अगर common factor आपको नहीं है तो आप उसको further reduce नहीं कर सकते हो. ठीक है, ये सब छोटे छोटे कॉन्सेप्ट्स हैं, बिल्कुल दिमाग में रखने का. ठीक है, को प्राइम पे अक्सर क्वेश्चन पूछ देते हैं, को प्राइम, और नाम से ऐसा लगता है कि इट इज अ पेयर ऑफ प्राइम नंबर्स. Okay, but it is not necessary that co-prime numbers are prime numbers. It may be even number, it may be odd number, any number. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Lowest number, you understand how you can find the lowest number, how you can know that it is the lowest number. If you get the numerator and denominator, if you get the pair of co-prime number, then it is the last lowest form, standard form. Okay. See, this is the division. If I just make it bigger, more bigger. Okay, you can see this. Okay, rational number, this big one is the rational numbers. In rational number it is integer. Integer comes under the rational number, and under the integers it comes whole number, and in the whole numbers it comes natural number. Okay, and in natural number you can say odd, even, that are numbers. Okay, so the big one is rational number. ठीक है,
Rational number.
जो रैशनल नंबर, सारे नंबर्स जितने भी अपने पास नंबर है इररेशनल के अलावा, इररेशनल को बाहर कर दो. ठीक है, इररेशनल इज आउटसाइड. ओके, इररेशनल नंबर इज √3, √5, √7, पाई, e.
Root.
So many numbers are there which are irrational numbers. Okay, other than irrational number, every number is a rational number, and this integers come under the rational number. Rational number के छतरी के अंदर आता है integers number. That means you can say every integers is a rational number. Okay, every whole number is integers. Okay, every whole number is an integer. Every natural number is a whole number. Okay, you can say that. You can say that every natural number is a whole number. Right? Because it comes under whole number. Whole number starts from 0, 1, 2 up to infinite. From here, if you count from here, it is a natural number. Okay. So
Natural number.
every natural number is a whole number, but every whole number is not a natural number. Okay.
Not natural number.
Every whole number is a natural number except 0. ठीक है? Every whole number
Yes,
is a
sir.
natural number except 0. Okay. So I think it is clear for you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. So addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of rational numbers are done in the same way as we do for the fractions. ठीक है, rational numbers और fractions में कोई बहुत ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं. Everything is same for rational number and fractions. Okay.
Sir, addition and multiplications are same.
Yes. And what is different? Everything is same. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of rational number are done in the same way as we do for the fractions. Okay. Rational numbers are closed under the operation of addition. Closed under, what do we mean by closed under the operation of addition? Anyone can
That
explain?
उसके अंदर आते हैं वो.
उसके अंदर आते हैं, किसके अंदर आते हैं?
no, sir. Sir, let's not close under operation of addition, subtraction, and multiplication. That's tell that in rational number, addition, subtraction, and multiplication is what
Is what?
is good.
Good. Closed under means होता है,
It is-
बहुत ही आसान शब्दों में.
Sir, example, 5 plus 2 is equals to 7 and 2 plus 5 is also equals to 7.
No.
So it is
Yeah.
closed under addition.
No. This is not closed under addition.
Sir, may I tell?
Wait. You are saying the property, what you are saying is called commutative property. Commutative property, okay? Commutative property. This property is commutative. Exchanging. Keep this one this side and this one this side. This is commutative property. Okay? Yes, Ayan. Explain.
Sir, closed under the operation of addition. मतलब अगर रेशनल नंबर में कोई भी नंबर ऐड करेंगे तो वो रेशनल नंबर ही आएगा.
Yes.
How to find the commutative and associative?
Yeah, that's what I want to make you understand, that how you can know. Closed under operation means what? If you add a rational number, okay, with any other rational number, then it will be, the addition will be also a rational number. Okay, like 1/2. If you add any rational number, suppose 2/3, what you will get? 6, 3 plus 4, 7/6. Okay, so this is also rational number. That's why it is called that rational number are closed under the operation of addition. Okay, it is closed under the operation of addition. It is subtraction and multiplication all. If you multiply one rational number to the another rational number, then also you will
It
get.
will become rational number.
If you subtract any rational number with another rational number, you will get the rational number. If you multiply, finish, addition finish, subtraction finish. But why not in division? Why not in the division? In division, it is not necessary that you will get a rational number. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because the condition of 0, q cannot be a 0. This condition fails. Okay, this condition fails if you divide. Suppose 1 is a rational number. If I divide with another rational number 0, then can it be a rational number? No. Okay,
No.
it cannot be a
No.
rational number. Why? Because 0 is in the denominator, so you cannot say. That's why it is said that it is not closed under the division. So if
Division.
you have to remember, or if you don't remember that, just remember the concept why it is not. Okay, why it is not closed under the division.
Division.
Okay, the operations of addition and multiplication for rational numbers are commutative and associative. Okay, what is commutative? Just now I explained commutative.
Yes, sir.
Plus
In Hindi,
If
That's
we
the-
plus any number at any time, we get the answer same.
no. Commutative, I have said in Hindi and Urdu, this adla badli. If you exchange the place.
Sir, in commutative,
Yes. Commutative means you are just exchanging the place. Okay, like 2 by 3 plus.
Like 2.7 plus 2.5.
sir, in commutative, subtraction and division are not closed.
Yes. 2 by 3 plus 3 by 2. So what you will get? 6. 4 plus 9. 13 by 6. Okay. So this is what is the operation of commutative. Commutative means what? You exchange the place. So 2 by 3 will come this side and 3 by 2 will come this side. Okay. So 3 by 2 plus 2 by 3. Again you will get the same number, 13 by 6. This is
Same.
commutative. This is called commutative. Okay. And associative.
Yes, sir.
In associative, you have to take 3 example, 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4. Okay, what you will get?
By bracketing.
Yes, associative means the name indicates you that you are associating these two numbers. Okay, these are associated with each other. And now, if you change this association, okay, how associations are made? 2, 3 people meet each other. That is called association. If you change the association, how you can change? You can change like this. Now these two are
Yes, sir.
associated. Before these two were associated, now these two are associated. But the answer will be same. Okay, then
Same.
that's why it is said that associative under the operation of addition and multiplication, associative and commutative operation is the operation of addition and multiplication for rational numbers are commutative in nature. In property, it is commutative and associative. Where when we multiply or add, it is not commutative in subtraction and it is not commutative in division, and it is not associative in subtraction and not associative in division. Okay, if you want, I can show you by the example why it is not in subtraction and division, why it is not commutative and associative. Do you want to see? Anyone?
Can you explain what is associative again?
Okay. Check this associative. Yes, I will give example of associative. Okay. Suppose this is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. What will be the answer? LCM will be 4 3 is 12. Okay. So 2 6 is 12 plus 3 4 is 12 plus 4 3 is 12. So 6 plus 4 10, 13 by 12. So this is your answer. It doesn't matter how you are associating. If you associate this, then what you can do? You can add this in the bracket first. According to BODMAS, you have to add in the bracket. Then you can add this 1 by 4 to that bracket. So first we will solve this bracket. Okay. So what you will get? You will get 6 downside and in numerator 3 plus 2 5 by 6. Okay. Then add 1 by 4. Then the same answer you will get 13 by 12. Okay. And in the next, if you associate 1 by 3 and 1 by 4. Okay. Then what is the process? Then you have to add this 1 by 2 with the in bracket. If you solve this bracket, you will get 4 3s are 12 and 7 by 12. Okay, again if you add this, you will get the same 12. 2 6 are 12, that is 6.
13 by 12.
13 by 12. This is associative property. That means if you associate these two or these two, the answer will be same 13 by 2. Okay, it doesn't matter. That means associative doesn't matter. Answer will be same. And the same way, commutative doesn't matter in addition and multiplication. Same thing with the multiplication. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Either you do like this 3 is to 2, then also it will be 6. Okay, this is called commutative. Okay, and for associative, I'll show you. For association, there should be 3 numbers. So 2 into 3 into 4. So if you associate these two, what you will get? 3 to the 6 into 4, 6 4 the 24. And again, if you associate different type, like 2 into 3 into 4, then 3 4 the 12, and again 12 to the 24. You are getting same answer. This is called associative property. So in associative property, multiplication doesn't matter. Okay, wherever you will associate, no problem. Answer will be same. Okay, I hope you all understand this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I have already explained in the video, if you have seen. Very clearly.
Yes, sir, you have explained.
Okay. The rational number 0 is additive identity for the natural numbers. What is the additive identity? Additive identity means what? How many of you knows the additive inverse? Additive
Me.
inverse and multiplicative.
Sir, multiplicative inverse 1.
What one? Wrong.
Minus 1, minus 1.
Wrong. What is minus 1? It's 1 is multiplicative identity. You are answering this question, this one. Multiplicative identity is 1. Okay? And additive identity is 0. 0 is the additive identity and 1 is the multiplicative identity. And I am what I am asking? I am asking additive inverse and multiplicative inverse.
May I tell?
Yes.
Multiplicative inverse is reciprocal.
Yes.
Sir,
It is
sir,
a
Reciprocal.
Yes, it is a reciprocal. And whatever
एडिटिव इनवर्स में माइनस होता है तो प्लस कर देते हैं और मल्टीप्लिकेटिव
And in
में कुछ
additive
पे माइनस होता है तो 1 बाय कर देते हैं, वो हो जाता है
additive inverse is sign is changed. Okay.
Change.
If it is negative, it will be positive. If it is positive, then it will be negative. Okay. Sign is changed. Negative is changed to positive, and positive is changed to negative. Clear?
नेगेटिव.
Okay. So what is identity?
Yes, sir.
What is identity? What is identity?
Sir, a plus b whole square like that.
No. Yeah.
No, sir, in additive identity, if we add any number with 0,
No.
the number will be same.
No. The additive identity is that if any number A is added with its additive inverse. Okay. If any number A is added with the additive inverse of its same, then you will get 0. This is called additive identity. Okay. In the same way, if any number A is multiplied with its multiplicative inverse, then you will get 1. Okay. This shows that in any simplification, you cannot, if there is only multiplication, in any simplification, if only multiplication is there, you will never get 0. You will never get 0 in simplification if only multiplication and division is there. Okay? Okay, not okay? Did you understand what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In simplification, you will never get 0. Okay?
Okay.
So, do you understand?
Okay, sir.
Do you understand what is
Yes, sir.
identity and
Yes, sir, understood.
Yes, sir. Understand.
okay? The additive inverse of a rational number a by b is minus a by b and vice versa. Okay? This already I explained. For same,
Yes,
for
sir.
the normal number is also same, and fractional number or rational number is also same. This minus will come. If you want to know the additive inverse, minus will come, and for multiplicative inverse, it will be reciprocal. Okay. Okay. Now distributive law distributivity of a rational number. Distributivity. Okay, distribution. Like if you multiply a with b, it will be ab. Okay, you have learned the algebra. If you multiplied a with b plus c, it will be ab plus ac.
AC.
It is distributed. And if you multiply b minus c, it will be ab minus ac.
AB minus AC.
Yes, for all rational number a, b, c, this is the distributivity. Okay, this is called distributivity.
Yes.
We have done so many times, but we don't remember
Yes,
the name, what it is called. Okay, so it is distributed. Okay, so rational numbers can be
Distributed.
represented on a number line. You know that. Okay, you know
Yes,
that
sir.
on the number line, every number can be represented. Every number. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this is 0. This is positive numbers, and this side it is negative.
And data is negative.
Yes. Okay. What next? Between any two rational numbers, there are infinitely many rational numbers. You know that? Do you know that? In between two rational numbers, there are infinitely many rational numbers.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So who will answer my question that how many decimal numbers in between two decimal numbers?
Infinite.
Huh?
Infinity.
Infinite. Infinity is the place. Infinity is the place which you don't know where it is. Okay, and infinite is the number, is the quantity. Okay, infinite is the quantity, and infinity is the place which we don't know. Yes, infinite is the quantity, that also we don't know. Okay, so decimal number is what? Nothing but this is another form of a rational number. Okay, decimal number is another form of a rational number. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we will leave these examples. We will go directly to the questions. We don't have time.
सर लास्ट से इसका क्वेश्चन लास्ट से करते हैं.
लास्ट से करते हैं, ज्यादा नहीं है. चलो सही है. अभी थ्योरी जो पढ़ा है उसी के ऊपर क्वेश्चन.
32 पेज का है, ज्यादा.
स्टार्टिंग में वही सब बातें हैं जो अभी मैंने बताया, तो जब तक तुम लोग भूल जाओगे फिर. ठीक है, लास्ट आते आते. चलो 25 से स्टार्ट करता हूँ. ओके, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज ऑलवेज ट्रू? Which of the following statement is always true? जिसको समझ में आ जाए वो एक्सप्लेन कर दे. ठीक है.
C.
See how. Wrong है. Anyone else?
B.
Number between X and Y. How
B,
you
sir.
Huh?
B.
Yes, B is the correct answer. If you,
B.
if you want
B.
if you want the number between two numbers, you have to add it and divide it by 2. 3 and 5. What is the number between 3 and 5? It is 4. How you know? 5, it is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Okay?
Sir, why you take only odd numbers, sir?
Any number.
Sir, one you can take 2 and 2.
Nothing to do with in between.
Sir, you can take 6 and 4, sir.
6 and 4. Take 6 and 4.
Yeah.
4 and 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 divided by 2, it is 5. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes. So, if you divide for rational number, there are for natural number,
10 by 2.
for natural number, it is
5.
limited. Okay? For natural number, it is limited number which can be in between two numbers. Okay? For natural numbers, it is limited numbers. Like in between 1 to 10, how many numbers are there? So you can say 8. But if I ask how many rational numbers are there in between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3? Okay. So how many numbers? Anyone? Just now you have answered. Infinite.
Infinite.
So there are infinite many rational numbers between two rational numbers. Okay, but if you want to find in between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3, it's easy to find the between numbers. Okay, in between only one number is there. Okay, only one rational number is there in between two rational numbers. So how you can find? You have to add these two rational numbers, then divide it by 2. Okay? ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So who will tell me the that number in between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3? Anyone? Just tell me, anyone?
Five, sir.
5? No.
Fourth.
No. In between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3, it will be a rational number. Your rational number.
Sir, 2.
No. These both are less than
No,
1.
sir. 5 by 6.
This both
5 by 6.
both numbers are less than 1. Okay? 5 by 6. 5 by 6 is the total of this. 5 by 6 is total of these two rational number. If you add these two rational number, you will get 5 by 6. And what I said, you have to divide it by 2. 5 by 6 divided by 2. So what you will do? 5 by 6 multiply by 1 by 2 by 1. Or 1 by 2. Sorry, 1 by 2. 5 by 6 multiply by 1 by 2. So it will be 5 by 12. Okay? Your concept is not clear. Concept is not clear.
Not clear.
Okay. Okay, so again I'll explain you what is the in between two rational number. So what is the method to find in between? Whatever you find in between two numbers, you can add both and divide it by 2. Same, you find the median. If you remember, you have find the median of numbers. If you get two numbers in the between, so what you do? You add this 2 and divide by 2. You remember in median. In median 1, 2, 3, 4. How you find the median of this data? How you can find the median of this 4 data? Anyone?
Add.
Yes?
First add this 4 and divide by 4.
No. That is not median. That is mean. All you forget. That is called mean. I am asking median.
Sir, we should arrange in ascending order and we should take middle number.
Yes. So how you can take middle of this? You have 4 data. How you can take middle of this? In middle you will get 2 numbers, 2 and 3. Then what you will do?
2.
No.
2.5.
Huh?
2 by
2 and
5.
3.
In between 2
2
and
by
3.
5.
In between
2 by 5.
2.5.
Not 2 by 5, 5 by 2.
Sir, 2.5.
Yes, 2.5 or 5 by 2, both are same. Or you can say 2, 2.5. These three, all three are same. These three, all three are same. 5 by 2, 2 mix 1 by 2 or 2.5. All three are same. So you have to add this both and divide it by 2. Simple. It's so simple. Why you forget? Don't forget this mean median mode. Okay, one question is fixed. Okay, in the similar way, you can find the rational number which is between two rational number. Okay, these are two rational number, 1 by 2 and 1 by 3, and you have to find the middle one in between two
So
rational.
there are infinite rational numbers. So there are infinite rational numbers between
Yeah.
any two rational numbers.
I am saying that there are infinite rational numbers, but there is only one number which is in between two rational numbers. Only one number. There is only one number which is between,
Yes, sir.
middle of these two rational number. In between. What is the meaning of in between? Middle one. Yes. How you can find middle one? Add this both. How you can add?
5 by 12.
Yes. If you add, you will get 5 by 6. Okay. If you add this, you will get 5 by 6, and you have to divide it by 2. Okay, divide it by 2. But if you multiply, it will go downside 1 by 2. So it will be 5 by 12. So this is the middle one. 5 by 12 is that rational number which comes in between 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Very simple. आया समझ में?
Yes, sir.
बहुत धीरे बोल रहे, नहीं समझ में आ रहा।
आ गया।
ओके।
क्या होता एग्जाम्पल?
हम्म,
क्या होता एग्जाम्पल भी दे सकते हो?
तेज बोले यार, तुम्हारी आवाज बहुत स्लो आती है सूरज।
एग्जाम्पल दे सकते हो सर?
सबको स्लो आता है।
सबको स्लो आता है, स्लो ही बोल। क्या एग्जाम्पल, क्या बोले एग्जाम्पल?
एग्जाम्पल देके देखो।
एक और एग्जाम्पल देता हूँ, चलो कोई भी बताओ। ओके, पढ़ना क्लियर होना जरूरी है भाई। 2/3 एंड 5/7, what is the in between number?
Seven. 29/42. 29/42.
Okay, if I'll check it. So what is the total if you add this both? 7 3s are 21.
29/21.
Okay, 14 plus 15, that is 29/21. 29/21, then you have to multiply 1/2. Okay, so 29 by 2 ones are 2, 2 to the 4, 42. Very good. Yes, it is correct.
Sir, why again to multiply with 1/2?
Yeah, multiply it 1/2. See,
Because here
dividing by
X
2
plus
or multiplying by 1/2 is same. Okay, if you want to divide anything in half, you have to divide it by 2, or either you can say you have to multiply by 1/2 half. Okay, if you want to divide anything by 3, you can multiply it by 1/3. Okay, x plus y/2 is a rational number. Which is the answer between x and y? Okay,
yes sir. Just a big here.
is it clear?
Yes sir.
Okay, question
Yes,
number
sir.
23. Between two given rational numbers, we can find infinitely many rational numbers. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Okay. Now, this is the question. The question. Yes. Which of the following is an example of distributive property of multiplication over addition or for rational number? Distributive property of multiplication over addition. Which one? Make it small so that you can see all the. Yes, you can see all the options.
Yes sir. Bhaiya.
Yes, anyone? Class 6 students, you will get some questions. Please wait, have patience, okay? I will tell you which are the important questions for class 6. Yes, you can check here
Sir.
which one has the property of distributive property, okay?
C.
C,
Sir. Yes sir.
minus 1/4 into this plus this, okay? So 2/3. I think it's not 20.
Sir, option A, sir, correct answer.
Option?
Option A.
Option A is correct answer, okay? Why?
Sir, because they're multiplying 2. A.
Yes, they are multiplying 1/4 with 2/3 plus 4/7. So
Yes,
one
sir.
time you have to multiply by this, and second time you have to multiply by this. Okay, so
Sir.
minus 1/4 is multiplying with 2/3, and again minus 1 by plus this sign will come. Okay, in between this, and minus 1/4 again multiplying this with minus 4/7. So it is clear. Okay, so A is the correct answer. Here, what is the problem in B? Minus 1/4 is see the minus is removed here, so this is not correct. Okay, what about C? Minus 1/4. So here it's not multiplying. So you this is 2/3 only. You have to multiply 2/3 by minus 1/4. Okay, and in D also same. Just this is minus. Okay, So this is not clear.
सर मल्टीप्लिकेशन और एडिशन मतलब
Multiplication over addition is this. Means this one. 2 multiplied by 3 plus 4. This is distributive property of multiplication over addition. This is over addition. Multiplication over addition. Multiplication over subtraction. Okay, this is multiplication over subtraction. 2 3s are 6 minus 2 4s are 8. It will be minus 2. Okay, this is multiplication over subtraction. This is multiplication over addition. Okay.
okay.
Okay, question number 21. Yes, this is for class 6. The reciprocal of this is. Anyone fast? 3-second question. 7 3 is 21. Plus or minus? This or this? This or this?
Sir, plus
C.
C. Yes, C is the correct answer. Why? Because, oh, why C? Reciprocal. This is not
Minus.
correct. This one is correct. Reciprocal means 21 will come downside. Not minus plus. Reciprocal
Yes,
is
sir.
additive, multiplicative.
Yes, sir.
Okay, multiplicative inverse. So this is plus 21 and it will come downside and 104 will upside. Okay. So 21 is
Yes, sir.
A. 20. Question number 20. If y be the reciprocal of the rational number x, yes, class 6. Concentrate. If y be the reciprocal of rational number x, then the reciprocal of y will be
C.
This one?
C.
I think it is wrong. See, 1 by 2. If you take 2 by 3, so this is x. Okay. And y, what is it saying? Y be the reciprocal of x. If it is x, then what is y? Y is equal to 3 by 2. Okay.
3 by 2.
3 by 2 is y. Then if it is asking, then the reciprocal of y is what? Only x. If y is reciprocal of x, then x will be reciprocal of y. Simple.
Yes, sir.
ट्रिकी है, लेकिन एक बार करके रखो है ना पहले से, तो इजीली समझ में आ जाएगा.
सर हम उतना देर से बोल रहे थे इसका आंसर, मगर मेरा माइक ही ऑफ था.
Bad luck.
Okay. So now question number 19. Yes, the reciprocal of any rational number p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0 is.
Q by P.
Class 6. Q by p. Okay. Q by p. Or 0.
सर C 0.
Why 0?
Sir, C 0.
Why? It's not equal to 0. Q is not equal to 0. So why C? Simple.
Q is never 0.
Q by
One.
P. Q
One.
by P
It is asking simply
is equals to के बाद स्लैश किया हुआ है, उसका मतलब not equal to 0.
the reciprocal of any rational number
Q
p
by
by
P.
q. It is asking reciprocal of this number. Q by p. It's simple question. Don't think over. This is very simple question. It is asking reciprocal of p by q. That is q by p. And these are the conditions that you have to put wherever you write. You have to put this condition. If you write any rational number in variable, in variable means what? P and q are variable. You don't know what value can you put. Any value you can put p and q. So if you put 0, then what? It will be not defined. That's why they have to put this condition, q is not equal to 0. Okay, this is the condition. They always have to give this condition. Anywhere if you write a by b, so you have to write here b is not equal to 0. If you write r by s, you have to write s is not equal to 0. Never equals to 0. Any number, any rational number, if you write in variable x by y, then you have to write y is not equal to 0. Okay, this is the condition. You must write this after any rational number in variables. Okay. Yes. Next question. Question number 18. The reciprocal of 0 is class 6.
0. C.
1
Wrong.
C.
1
C.
1.
The 1.
Wrong. Not defined.
Not
0.
defined.
The 1 होगा ना.
Not defined. Reciprocal of 0.
That's the 1 हो जाए.
Reciprocal of 0 is what? 0 by 1 is there. So 1 by 0. It is not defined. You cannot define 1 by 0. 0 cannot be in the denominator. Okay. 0 cannot be in the denominator of any fraction number, any rational number, any fraction. Okay. That's why it is not defined. Clear to everyone? Clear?
Zero का
Yes,
zero का
sir.
reciprocal
बोलो सूरज बोलो क्लियर बोलो क्या
0
बोलो
by 1.
0 by
0 by
1
1.
0 by 1 is defined, no problem in this. 0 by 1 is defined, but if you take reciprocal of this 1 by 0, it is not defined. Still it is not defined. You cannot put 0 in the denominator. Okay, in mathematics it is not defined.
Not a rational number.
Not possible up to now. Maybe in future it is possible, but still up to now it is not possible. Okay. Yes, question number 17.
Okay.
1.
Sir, not
Mm.
defined.
Minus 1.
Minus 1 is the
Minus
correct.
1.
Why not defined? Why not defined? Minus 1 by 1. If you reciprocal, it will be minus 1. There are two numbers which has same reciprocal. Minus 1 and 1. Minus 1 and 1 has same reciprocal. Minus 1 has same reciprocal. Minus 1 and 1 has same reciprocal as 1. Okay. Question number 16. Class 6. Very important for you. And 8 also.
1.
Yes, question number 15. Clear, everyone? It is clear. These are conceptual questions. They can use this question in any other question. Okay, they can make twist. And class 6 they can get directly these questions. And for 8, 9, it will be included in another question. Okay. Yes, question number 15. If x be any rational number, then x plus 0 is equal to
X.
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 It is equal to x. If you add 0, nothing will happen. Okay. Yes, question number 14. A multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 7 is. This is very important for
7 by minus 8.
very important for class 6. Very
7
important.
by minus 8.
Multiplicative inverse is 7 by
7 by minus 8.
minus 8.
7 by minus 8. C.
Minus 7 not 7 to 7.
Yeah, minus 7 by 8 or 7 by minus 8. Both are same. Okay.
Yes, sir. The reciprocal and multiplicative inverse is same.
Same. Yes, question number 13. Minus of minus x is same as minus of minus x is same as x.
1 by x.
Minus into minus is plus. Plus x.
X.
Okay.
Sir, minus 1 into
Minus
7 is
1
equal
into
to
minus x is plus x. Simple. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Question number 12. यार अभिजीत खड़खड़ कर क्या कर रहे हो? अखरोट तोड़ रहे हो क्या?
The 21 by
B.
8.
To get the product, we should multiply 8 by 21 by what? Its reciprocal.
21 by 8.
C.
21 by 8. C. Very good. Yes, 11. If x plus 0 is equal to 0 plus x is equal to x, which is rational number, then 0 is called?
D.
Additive inverse of x.
Additive inverse of x.
B.
Additive identity.
B.
C.
Inverse.
A.
A.
D.
A.
Zero.
Additive for addition of rational numbers.
I think it is O.
C.
0, it is 0. X plus 0 is equal to
A.
x plus x is equal to x, which is rational number. Then 0 is
A.
called what? Identity. 0
For
is
addition of rational numbers.
Yes, this is
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
addition. A is the correct
So,
number.
for example, x 1 plus 0 1 1 plus 1.
Yes, 0 is simply 0 is identity for addition and 1 is identity for multiplication. 1 is identity for multiplication. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Question number 10. Multiplicative inverse
Add
of
0
an
to any
even
number.
number.
There is no for the number.
डॉक्टर माइक ही पिघल रहा है
फूक रहा है माइक हम भी कर
सही
सकते
बोला
हैं।
हम भी कर सकते हैं
कौन है?
Dina. Dina, you want to go out of this class?
Dina is feeling boring, so he's trying to do something interesting.
Oh,
yes something unique
But what he is trying to do, it seems as
Yeah.
Okay, question number 9. हो गया ये? Multiplicative inverse of a negative rational number is
multiplicative inverse of a negative rational number is a positive
Positive.
rational number.
One.
what?
The
A
negative.
positive.
The negative. The
अरे
negative.
भैया याद रखो ना चीजों को. मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स में कुछ भी नहीं होगा. जस्ट ऊपर का नीचे आ जाएगा, नीचे का ऊपर आ जाएगा.
One.
The negative भी होगा.
नेगेटिव
One, one.
पॉजिटिव से कोई मतलब ही नहीं है. There is nothing to do with negative and positive with the multiplicative inverse. Just numerator will come to denominator and denominator will go to numerator. Okay? Additive
Yes,
inverse.
sir.
Yes, additive inverse में है उसका लेना देना. Okay, the additive inverse of minus 7 by 19 is.
D. Minus
7 by
19 by
19.
अरे भैया
7 by 9.
B.
confuse
7 by 19.
Don't confuse.
अभी ये हालत तो एग्जाम में तो
एग्जाम में तो और
मट्ठा हो जाएगा.
एडिटिव इनवर्स से माइनस हट जाता है.
सिंपल ये याद रखना, एडिटिव मतलब साइन चेंज होता है, मल्टीप्लिकेटिव मतलब उल्टा हो जाता है.
Yes, you're right. Yes. Question number 8.
C.
One.
C.
C. C.
What is the identity for the
One
multiplication?
is the identity
C.
for multiplication of fraction.
C. 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 C.
The identity for multiplication of rational numbers.
C.
The identity 0 is what? Question number 7.
Yeah. Yeah.
The identity for addition of the rational number.
B.
Yeah.
0 is the identity for addition of rational numbers. Okay. Okay. Yes. Which of the following expressions shows that?
There we are going backwards.
Yes, backwards. Which of the following expressions shows that rational numbers are associative under multiplication?
Associative मतलब ब्रैकेट इधर उधर बस.
Yes, association. Association.
इधर ए
A. A.
इधर ही सही है. बाकी सब में साइन चेंज कर दे रहा है.
Yes, sir.
Jagat, place will not change. Okay, place should not change.
Yeah.
Neither sign nor place.
2 by 3, 2 by 3, minus 6 by 7, minus 6 by 7, 3 by 5, 3 by 5. So first here, then bracket with these two, here these two. So it is correct. And what is the problem with the others? We will check. Okay, what is the problem with
Sign
The
problem.
second one problem is
minus 6 by 7, minus 6 by 7? This is the place of this is changed.
Change the time.
Commutative is this there. Okay, so here it is commutative.
Yeah.
Okay, so it is wrong. And what about here? 2 by
Hello.
3, 3 by 5. It is changed. This came to this side. Okay, 3 by 5. Okay, no place change. In D, 2 by 3. So again, this is changed. This place is interchanged. So this is wrong. Okay. Yes, question number 5. Minus 3 by 8 plus 1 by 7. This is an example to show that.
that it is commutative.
Rational number are closed under addition. Rational number are addition to rational number is commutative. Rational number is associative.
That it is showing that addition of rational numbers is commutative.
Is
So it is commutative.
Yes.
3 plus 4 is equals to 4 plus 3.
yes.
C.
Interchanging. Place is interchanging. So this is
Only place is reversed.
okay. Yes. Question number 4. Which of the following is not true? Which of the following is
Sir,
not?
D is wrong. Rational numbers are not
D.
closed under
D.
division. If we divide a rational number with a rational number, it is not necessary that a rational number will come.
What happened?
What you said.
Yes. Question number 4. Which of the following is?
It will be.
Which of the following is not?
It will be D. Rational numbers are closed
Not
and
true.
not closed under division.
Therefore, D.
Closed under addition. It is correct. Rational number are
Yeah.
closed under subtraction.
Sir, in subtraction also it is correct. Multiplication is also correct. Division is wrong.
But in division it is not correct.
Okay.
Sir, because if we divide a rational number with a rational number, it is not necessary that only rational number will come.
Due to this 0.
Yeah.
Only due to 0.
3 divided by 3 is equals to 0.
What?
No, 3 divided by 0 is equal to
3 divided by 0. 3 divided by 0
staff is getting.
is not equal to this one. This is not defined.
Oh, sorry, it is equal to 1.
Yes, 3 divided by 3 is 1.
Yeah.
Yes. Question number 3. Yes, question number 3.
3 divided by 1 by 3 is equals to 0.
Okay.
Not.
ये हो गया नहीं हुआ अभी 3?
हुआ तो.
क्या होगा आंसर? Rational numbers are closed under. Yes, question number 3
Sir,
cancel.
this shows that rational numbers are closed under addition.
3B. Rational number are not closed under addition.
Huh?
Rational numbers are
3A,
not,
3A.
Yeah.
why not closed?
B ना होगा.
Sir, A होगा.
Rational numbers are always closed under addition. It is universal truth.
Yes, sir.
Cannot be wrong. Rational numbers are not closed under addition. It cannot be right.
So whether the calculation is done right or wrong, but rational numbers are always closed under
It is
addition.
closed under addition. So this is
It
closed.
does not
But
depend
in-
upon
It
calculation.
is closed under addition. Why? Because this is rational number. This is rational number. This is also rational number. If you add a rational number with another rational number, you will get the rational number. This is what closed under addition. It is said. Okay, closed under addition. This is the meaning of closed under addition.
Yeah.
Rational number are closed under multiplication. This is
So
correct.
that if we add a rational number with a rational number should come.
This statement is correct, but it is not shown here. Okay, this statement is correct, but it is not shown here. Okay? स्टेटमेंट ये सही है,
Yes, sir.
सही है स्टेटमेंट, बट यहाँ पे दिखाया नहीं गया. ये क्या पूछ रहा है? What is shows here? This shows that what it is showing that rational number closed under addition. Okay. Now,
Yes, sir. B. P and Q are integer and Q is not is equal to 0.
Yes, sir. B answer.
a number of the form.
Sir, if P and Q are integers only if Q is not equal to 0. Sir, 2B is correct.
P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. Yes. A number which can
Rational number.
Q where P and
Rational number.
Q are rational number.
सर पूरा राम कथा खत्म हो गया पूछता है राम को.
Integer.
उल्टा जा रहा है ना?
Integer, sir.
Okay. Integers कौन है भाई?
नया आदमी.
A number which
Yeah,
can be
that is
expressed as P by Q, where P and Q are integers, are called integers. Already P and Q are integers, but if you put
P and Q are
this form, if you put these two integers in this form where Q is not equal to 0, then it is not a rational number. Okay.
Sir, every number in this universe is integer.
No.
natural
Yes, sir.
number.
Every number is a number. Every number has been divided into two numbers, rational and irrational.
Yes, sir, they are subdivided into rational, natural, whole.
Every number,
Natural whole integers.
every number other than irrational number is a rational number.
Yes.
Every number
So
which
can we say that all numbers are?
not all. How you can say all?
Sir, 5 under square root is a irrational number.
5?
Yes.
Under square root.
Yes. Because under root 2, this is irrational number, and whatever is added to irrational number is a irrational number. What is multiplied by irrational number is a irrational number. This total will become irrational number. Okay. If you add 5 plus root 2, then this also irrational number. 5 minus root 2.
The 5 under root 4 is a rational number.
Yes. 5 under root 4 is 10.
Oh, yes.
5 under root 4 is 10.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अब समझ आया. परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर है इसलिए वो इंटू हो गया. ये है
रूट से
करना.
बाहर.
Yes, start. 26.
The equivalent of 5 by 7 whose numerator is 45. Numerator is 45. 9 5 then. 9 5 is 45. So 45 by 63. 45 by 63.
Yes, everyone knows this.
Yes, sir.
Class
Yes,
6.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We studied in class 4 this.
Okay. So this you have to multiply by 9 to make a numerator 45. Then you have to multiply denominator also by 9. 9 7 is 63. Okay. Okay. The equivalent rational number of 7 by 6 whose denominator is
35 by 45.
35 by 45.
35 by 45. इसको कैंसिल करेंगे तो वापस आ जाएगा 7 by
Between the
9.
numbers with 15 by 20 and 35 by 40.
Sir, the greater in number is 15 by 20.
1 minute. Okay. Between the numbers this and this, the greater number is which one?
So 15 by 20,
15 by 20 is greater.
according to me.
15 by 20.
Yes, sir.
This one is greater.
So because it is divided into less parts and 40 is divided into.
No. This is greater.
Yes, sir. We will get this. This is 30 by
3
40.
by 4.
35 by 40. So 35 by 40.
Sir, 15
Or
by
two
20
numbers.
is
सर
greater.
15 by 20 होगा ना, क्योंकि 15 by 20 बड़ा है 35 by 40 से.
कैसे?
No, 35 by 40. Sir, we should compare them, sir. First, we should make the denominator same.
This is very easy. There is very easy method to find this. Just cross multiply. Okay.
Yes, sir. 35 by 40 is greater by 4.
This is 600. This is 700. 15 4 is 60. 600. 35 into 2. 70. This is 700. Okay. Which one is greater? That fraction is greater.
Sir, LCM.
And basic method, you know basic method. 15 by 20, just multiply it by 2. Multiply it by 2. It will be 30 by 40. So both 40 and 40 same, but the numerator is lower, then fraction is lower. Numerator is greater, fraction is greater.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And which one is greater in this? 2 by 3 and 2 by 5.
Sir, 2 by 3.
2 by 3 is greater. Yes, the smaller the denominator, greater is the fraction. If numerator are same, okay? If numerators are same, then the lower the denominator, greater is the fraction. Greater is the denominator, lower is the fraction. उल्टा होता है इसमें, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
याद रहेगा?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, the reciprocal of a positive rational number is positive. Nothing to do.
Positive rational number.
Nothing to do with positive and negative, so it will be positive.
Yes, sir.
Negative will be negative. Okay. 0 has
No reciprocal.
No reciprocal.
okay. The numbers this and this are their own reciprocal. 1 and minus
Minus
1.
1 and
1 and
1.
minus 1 are their own reciprocals.
Okay. If y be the reciprocal of x, then the reciprocal of y square in terms of x will be
1 by x square.
Square.
1 by x square.
X square.
Yes. Anyone?
Same.
Here.
Same positive होगा तो positive
sir.
रहेगा.
If y be the reciprocal of x, so suppose this is x, so y is, suppose this is 3 by 2, so y will be 2 by 3. Okay. Then the reciprocal of y square in terms of x will be, so if you want to square this one, same, 4 by 9. The reciprocal of y square, this is y square. So what will be the reciprocal? Its reciprocal will be 9 by 4, and this is x square. Okay, so x square is the correct answer. Okay. The reciprocal of this
Minus 45 by
Minus का
8.
45 by 8.
5 by 8.
5 by 8.
Okay. And what about this? 213.
213 minus 1 into 657 to the power minus 1.
Yes.
Minus 1.
This will be on both the numbers. This power will be on the both numbers. One number
Yes.
is here, one number is here. Okay. The negative of 1 is
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
okay. वैसे इससे बहुत ज्यादा क्वेश्चन पूछा नहीं है, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
ठीक क्वेश्चंस है, लास्ट में ले लेंगे 10-15 के बाद.
ये रेशनल नंबर से एकदम गेम लग रहा है. बस खेलते
ले
जाओ.
लो ढंग से.
पूरा मैथ्स ही गेम होता है, ठीक है, मैथ्स इज अ गेम, नथिंग. यस, क्वेश्चन नंबर
37.
37.
Association.
The rational number a by b, c by d and e by f we have. This is equal to, क्या हो जाएगा?
Sorry.
AB into CD plus AB A by B into
Plus ae by
A by B into
f,
EF.
bf.
Distributive.
This is distributive property. One time multiply by this, second time multiply by this. Okay. Question number 38. Minus 5 by 7 is dash then minus 3. Less or greater?
Greater.
Minus 5 by 7 is greater than minus 3? No. Make it 7.
Minus 3 greater.
Make it 7 multiplied by
Sir.
7. It will be minus.
Sir, we'll get minus 21.
So this is greater. Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
TOR, greater. Okay, 39. There are dash rational numbers between any two rational number. Infinite.
1.
Infinite.
Infinity.
Infinite rational numbers.
Unlimited.
Two rational numbers.
Uncountable.
Uncountable. Okay, question number 40.
जो काउंट ना किया जा सके.
Hmm. Yes, question number 40. The rational numbers 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 3 are on the opposite sides of.
Opposite sides of 0.
Opposite sides
One
of
is on
0.
the right hand and
Okay.
minus 1 by 3 is on the left hand.
The negative of a negative rational number is always a dash rational.
Left.
Positive rational number.
Positive rational.
Positive.
Okay, positive.
Oh, sorry, positive.
Minus plus.
Okay, rational numbers can be added or multiplied in
In
any.
any direction.
Property.
Any angle.
Numbers can be added.
In any
In any
property.
laws.
Any ways.
Anyways,
Any law.
सब बोल दो. एक तो सही हो जाएगा.
सब बोल देंगे तो बचेगा क्या?
any order. By this side, by this
Order.
side, any order you can multiply or divide. That is called commutative property. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Property. From this side or from this side, any order you can add or multiply, but not subtraction. Okay. The reciprocal of minus 5 by 7 is.
7
Minus
upon
1 by
minus 5.
Minus का 7 by 5.
Okay. The multiplicative inverse of 4 by 3 is.
3 by 4.
3 by 4.
The rational number.
बस आता है. पहले रेसिप्रोकल लिखा उसके बाद मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स.
The rational number 10.11 is the form P by Q is.
1011 by 100.
1011 by 100.
Okay. This one.
Is equals to 3 by 8 plus 3 by
3
8.
by 8.
3 by 8.
1 by 5 into
3 by 8.
3 by 8.
Multiply करना.
This shows commutative property.
No. This
Sorry, associative. Sorry.
Associative property.
Distributive.
Distributive.
The two rational numbers lying between minus 2 and minus 5 with the denominator 1 are.
Minus 3 and
Minus 3
minus 4.
minus 4.
Yes. Okay, so true and false, we will leave this. Maybe other questions. Okay, we'll check the.
तनु
Sir,
चल
now it
बोल
is
रहा
10:15 and we should do the one question, previous one.
बहुत सारा क्वेश्चन बोला है, तुमने सुना ही नहीं.
ओ बोला है.
नहीं सर फीवर है आज इसलिए नहीं बोला.
Yes, these type of questions very important.
Three question कब आया?
Question number 113. Identify the rational number that does not belong with the other three.
Minus 5 by 11.
Sir, minus 1
Minus
by
4
2.
by 9. Minus 4 by 9.
Why?
Minus 1 by 2.
Why? Justify. Explain your reasoning. Reasoning का क्वेश्चन है IT का.
Sir,
Minus 7 by 3.
minus 7 by 3.
Why?
Minus 7 by
Minus
3 is
7 by
like fraction.
3.
Minus 7 by 3 is unlike.
Minus 7 by 3 is like and the rest 3 is unlike.
What like unlike? I don't understand.
Proper and improper, they are same as like and unlike.
Proper and improper. -7 by 3 is improper.
No, explain
So
what
you do not remember proper and improper?
proper and improper. What difference?
सर
Proper
हम
fractions,
-1
improper
पर
fractions are.
Then we studied in class 4 proper, improper, like, unlike, mixed fraction.
Sorry. Yes,
ये सारे के सारे प्रॉपर है.
explain again.
Unlike.
यार सिंपल बोलो ना, न्यूमरेटर आर लेस एंड न्यूमरेटर इज मोर. ऐसा भी हो सकता है.
Yes.
तो उसको हम लोग 4 क्लास से पढ़े, उसको कहते हैं प्रॉपर इम्प्रॉपर, तो वही बोले.
प्रॉपर किसे बोलते हैं?
प्रॉपर जिसका
ये सारे
डिनोमिनेटर न्यूमरेटर को डिवाइड कर दे.
ऐसा तो यहाँ पे प्रॉपर इम्प्रॉपर का तो कोई बात ही नहीं है भाई. ऐसा मुझे बेवकूफ मत बनाओ, मुझे भी आता है मैथमेटिक्स थोड़ा बहुत.
मैंने कुछ अलग पढ़ा है.
प्रॉपर मतलब
सर हम बताए
4/2 इज ए प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. 2 to the 4 2 आएगा, ठीक है. 1/3 इज नॉट ए प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन बिकॉज इट विल कम इन डेसिमल. यही है ना प्रॉपर इम्प्रॉपर.
यस सर
यस.
नहीं सर.
यहाँ पे क्या है? मैंने
No, sir.
No, sir.
अगर न्यूमरेटर इज लेस देन
No, sir.
न्यूमरेटर, ओके,
Yes, sir.
then
That is
always
correct.
it will be always less than 1. This fraction will always come less than 1. Okay, since this all are negative, so it will come -1 by less than -1. Okay, so it all will come less than -1, but this is more than this denominator, so it will come more than -1. Okay, in decimal. Answer is correct, but explanation is not correct. Okay, these three have the numerator less than denominator, and this one has numerator greater than denominator. Okay. Yes, 114. 114. Uh,
9/2.
Find the speed of the train. This is
Sir, 18 rupees. 18 rupees.
rupees. Where is the rupees?
Sir, I'm telling 114.
114.
सर
Okay.
18
The cost of
18
19/4 meters of wire is this. Find the cost of meter of the wire. So you have to divide this meters by the cost, or cost by the meters. Okay, this by this. 171/2 divided by 19/4. क्या करते हैं यूनिटरी मेथड में? क्या करते हैं? क्वांटिटी को डिवाइड करते हैं ना कॉस्ट से. दिस इज द क्वांटिटी. Okay, this one is divided by the quantity. This is the price of whole wire. So 1 meter, unitary method, 1 meter you have to divide it by the total quantity of the wire. So when you multiply this,
1/18 होगा.
it becomes 19. Okay, this one will 2 to the 4 and 19. 9 is the 171. Yes, 9 to the 18. So 18 rupees is the price of 1 meter wire. Okay, you have to decide which one will be divided by which fraction. Okay, this one for kilometer per hour, this will be upside, this will be divided by 17/2. Okay, multiply by 2/17. क्लियर है सबको? क्लियर है? ये सब बच्चों वाला क्वेश्चन है. 6th क्लास में
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
6th क्लास
Yes, sir.
में करा रखा है. ठीक है, क्लास 6 वालों को मैंने ये करा रखा है. 16 shirts of equal size can be made out of this 24 meter cloth. How much?
सर हम लोग एक क्वेश्चन छोड़ दिए.
हाँ,
115 छोड़ दिया.
सब करना जरूरी है क्या?
छोड़ा गया है.
बता तो दिया ये.
85 किलोमीटर पर आवर.
वो
हाँ, ऐसे
कर लेना.
पता है.
वो नहीं, कोई ऐसे सब कोई बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन ये सब आने वाले नहीं है. 6 के लिए ये सब इजी है, मतलब 6 के लिए आ सकते हैं. 9th में तो मुश्किल है. इजी है, सिर्फ यहाँ पे डिवीजन करना है. ओके, 16 शर्ट्स 24 मीटर क्लॉथ में बनते हैं, तो एक शर्ट के लिए कितना चाहिए? जाहिर सी बात है.
Sir, 1.5 meter. 1.5 meter.
ओके,
Yes sir 1.5.
so same type of questions are there, just you have to divide the one fraction with the another fraction. Okay, nothing special here.
सर वो क्या कहते हैं 10-20 होगा वो. पेपर देख लेते हैं एक बार.
क्वेश्चन पेपर देख लेते हैं. ज़्यादा कुछ क्वेश्चंस है नहीं.
These questions we can do by ourselves only
Yes, try these questions.
because these are low level questions.
Yes,
Chapter से related है.
Basic questions.
very basic.
These things we studied in class 6.
क्लास 6 के लिए भी इजी है.
Class 6 के लिए medium है.
Class 6 का है.
सर ये क्वेश्चन 9 में पूछा है, अच्छा ये 6 का है।
6 है।
ये भी 6 का ही है।
हाँ, ये भी 6 का है।
मैंने याद कर लिया।
6 है।
ये भी 6 है। मैथ पढ़ो।
ये 2019
6 का
9th का है।
यस सर 9 का है।
क्या बात है,
क्वेश्चन देखो।
गजब पहचानते हैं। ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2019 में सिर्फ एक ही सवाल है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 10। Which of the following is multiplicative identity for rational numbers?
1
1
1
सर ये
1 1 1
सर ये डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन
1 1 1
1 is the multiplicative identity and 0 is the additive identity.
Yes, 2018 में क्या पूछा है? क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 and 3, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 and 3। Yes, which of the following numbers are in a standard form? Which
सर
of
हट गया
the standard
आ
form
गया।
है?
सर बी है स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में।
B
71 नहीं कटेगा किसी से, ठीक है, प्राइम नंबर है।
यस सर 27 और 48 कट जाएगा 3 से, 24 और 52 कट जाएगा, 28 और 105 कट जाएगा।
एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, व्हाट शुड बी एडेड टू दिस टू गेट दिस? ये 9th का ही है ना ये क्वेश्चन? यस 9th का ही।
ये सर पॉलीगन हम लोग में नहीं है, रेगुलर पॉलीगन है।
व्हाट शुड बी एडेड टू दिस टू गेट दिस? इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन में अगर फंस जाओ ना तो सीधा ऐसा करना है, व्हाट शुड बी एडेड इन टू
-29
टू गेट 3?
-29 divided by 21.
-29 by this one. So for this you have to subtract like this, 3 by 2. So what you are getting from that, you have to subtract this. That means -2 by 3 minus of -5 by 7. Okay. So 7 3 is the 21. 3 7 7 to the -14, and this one will be plus. Okay, 7 3 is 5 3 is 15. Wrong.
1 by 21 ना।
1 by 21. अब जब मैंने कर दिया तब पूछ रहा प्योर से। अच्छा, this will be converted in plus. Why? माइनस माइनस प्लस। इसी टाइप के क्वेश्चन गलती होती है एग्जाम में, ठीक है? सो बी अवेयर ऑफ दिस ट्रैप्स। ओके, 2020 का ये होगा, 2020 में है क्वेश्चन नंबर 1।
कहाँ है?
ये द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस
इसका तो याद ही हो गया है।
सिंप्लीफाई में भी आ जाएगा, ये सिंप्लीफाई में भी आ जाएगा।
डी होगा इसका आंसर।
हाँ ये
यस सर। सर क्वेश्चन में काट कुट देंगे उसको।
और क्या,
Yes.
-3/5 प्लस 3 to the
सर आप वीडियो में पहली बार बनाए थे तो आपका आंसर नहीं आया था,
अच्छा
दूसरी बार में आया था।
माइनस,
आप ऐसे करके मेकअप कर देखिए, फिर से करते हैं एक बार।
तो मैंने एडिट भी नहीं किया था क्या उसको?
नहीं
देखो ईमानदारी तो देखो, मेरी ईमानदारी तो देखो,
कैसे
ईमानदारी तो है ना। 8 5
ईमानदार इंसान।
8 5 is 40, 5 is 40, 8 6 is 24, 46 is 4 6 is 24, 240 माइनस 8 5 5 6 is 15। ओके, सो 240 माइनस का 5 4 9 2 1 3, फिर से नहीं आएगा क्या? कहाँ 303 आ रहा है? ये आ रहा है।
आंसर भी ठीक से नहीं रटा है, आंसर भी ठीक से नहीं रटा है।
ये माइनस ही है ना, सब माइनस है।
ए,
ये -2 है, भूल जाओगे लिखना तो गड़बड़ होगा। 5 4 9
ऐसे ऐसे क्वेश्चन देख के सर दे देता है।
सर वो 24 आप लिखे हैं।
क्या 24 लिखा? नहीं माइनस में है भाई।
सर एक हम बता दें आपको गलती का हुआ है। -3/5 लिखा वहाँ पे 6 -6/5 होगा कि आप इंटू नहीं किए हैं। देखिए
ये 5
ये नहीं,
ये वाला
ऑप्शन ए के बगल में 3/5 माइनस 6/5 होगा माइनस।
6/5 होगा। ओके।
सर क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का आंसर सी होगा ना?
एब्सिसा x एक्सिस,
हाँ
ऑर्डिनेट
y एक्सिस ना।
ऑर्डिनेट y
बस
एक्सिस।
रिकॉल कर लिए।
चलो ठीक है, कल क्या करना है बता दो, फर्स्ट वाले
तो
से।
कल से रिवीजन शुरू।
हाँ कल से रिवीजन किसका करना है?
प्रॉफिट लॉस।
प्लेइंग विथ नंबर। देखो मैंने एक नया
कंपेयरिंग क्वांटिटी